This case comes to the court from North Carolina, and it comes about because of redistricting and an attempt by North Carolina's Republican-led legislature to draw U.S. House districts in favor of GOP candidates. Those districts were blocked by a Democratic majority on the state Supreme Court, and the state Supreme Court said that the map drawn by Republicans had violated the state constitution. So what the state Republican lawmakers were arguing to the Supreme Court today is that North Carolina's Supreme Court doesn't have the power to do that. They say that the US Constitution gives power over federal elections only to state legislatures and Congress.
I believe that we will win. 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 You believe that we will win.
Now, to the reason why we are all here today, Morvie Harper presents one of the greatest threats to the checks and balances that our democracy depends on. What is at stake? The Supreme Court.
Arguments at the Supreme Court in this case lasted nearly 3 hours. There were a lot of questions from both the court's 6 conservative members and its 3 liberals. But what those of us in the courtroom thought we heard was both liberal and conservative justices skeptical of making a broad ruling in this case. It sounded as though a majority of the justices weren't willing to give state legislatures virtually unchecked power in making rules for presidential and congressional elections. The Biden administration's top Supreme Court lawyer told the justices that if Republican lawmakers' arguments win, it would be destabilizing. And she said that it would sow chaos on the ground because state and federal elections would have to be administered under different rules. She said that federal courts would be flooded with lawsuits, often at the last minute.
It's cold. It's wet.